What's up, plant lovers? I want to do a quick series of a few short videos highlighting some of the plants I'm really looking forward to growing in my garden this summer. Let's get into it. All right, so here's some petunias to get excited for. These petunias are from the Headliner series, and these are what are called Sky Petunias because they have these white speckles, I think, that are supposed to look like clouds in the petals. And in this pot, I have the Night Sky, which is the purple one, and then the Pink Sky, which is the pink one, of course. Now, we all know there's lots of petunias out there, so if we're gonna grow some, we may as well grow something interesting like these. Personally, I'm gonna be growing these in my pollinator garden that I established last year. All of my perennials are still starting to kind of fill out, so these will be a temporary holding plant while those perennial pollinator plants really start to take off. So I'm excited to grow these in that half sun day location in my yard here in Zone 6B. Along with growing as a bedding plant, these do quite well in hanging baskets or in any sort of elevated pot situation where they are allowed to simply overflow over the edges of these petunias. So if you're looking to add any petunias to your garden this season, consider some of these Sky Petunias that are just out of this world. So if you are looking to add some of these beautiful plants to your gardens this summer, check out my family's website, robertasgardens.net, where you can find all of these plants and many more innovative, brand new cultivars that are just reaching gardeners from around the globe. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all of our weekly, sometimes daily updates, bringing more plants into our lives. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.